All right, let's dive into something pretty wild happening on YouTube right now. We're talking about a hidden corner where creators are raking in hundreds of millions of views, and get this, they're barely doing any video editing. It's like a brand new gold rush, and it's all powered by AI. We're going to break down exactly how it all works.
Take a look at this number, 573 million. That's not a typo. That's the total number of views we're seeing in a niche that is just exploding. And it's not what you think. It's not dance challenges or cute animals. Nope. It's for something totally different. AI-generated videos of these incredible luxury home makeovers.
So, you're probably thinking the same thing I was. How on earth is that possible, right? How is anyone creating these, absolutely stunning, viral videos without a camera, without any real editing skills? Well, that's the big secret we're going to unlock today. So here's the game plan. First, we'll look at why this niche is so valuable. Then, I'll walk you through the step-by-step AI blueprint. After that, we'll get into building a brand around this, how you can actually monetize from day one. Yeah, you heard that right. And finally, we'll ask the big question. Is this the new creator gold rush? All right, let's do this.
Okay, section 1, the half-billion view niche. So what makes this niche so valuable? It's not just the crazy view counts. It's all about what the content is. It sits in this perfect, super lucrative sweet spot where home improvement, luxury design, and real estate all come together. And, that combination is basically a magnet for advertisers. Think about it. The people watching these videos are the same people scrolling through Pinterest, actively looking for high-end home decor ideas. This means big-ticket brands, furniture, real estate, renovation companies are willing to pay top dollar to reach them. And that, of course, drives up your RPM, your revenue per thousand views, big time.
Okay, so the opportunity is clearly massive. But how do you actually do it? Let's get into the nitty-gritty, the AI video blueprint. And you're going to be surprised at how simple this is. It's a 3-step workflow that takes you from just a basic text idea all the way to a finished animated video.
So, the whole process really just breaks down into 3 easy stages. Step 1, you generate text prompts, which are kind of like a script for the AI. Step 2, another AI takes those words and creates still images from them. And then step 3, a final AI tool takes those images and brings them to life, animates them. That's pretty much it. It's like a little creative assembly line.
All right, so step 1. This is really the engine of the whole thing. You just go into ChatGPT and you look for this specialized little tool called the Floor Transformation GPT. With just one single command, it will spit out a super detailed, scene-by-scene script for your entire video. It gives you the prompts for the images, the prompts for the animations. Literally, 90% of the creative heavy lifting is done right then and there. It's amazing.
Now for step 2, creating the images. And what's really amazing is that the best tools for this are completely free. You can use platforms like Google's Whisk or ImageFX. Whisk is fantastic because it has this feature called subject lock, which is crucial for keeping the room looking consistent from one image to the next. ImageFX, on the other hand, is great because it gives you a bunch of different variations, so you have more options to choose from.
Okay, on to the final step, animating those images. You've got a few options here. There are some really powerful paid tools out there, like Flow. But honestly, the free ones are surprisingly good. You've got Meta AI, for example. And then there's Dina by CapCut, which is, honestly, it's a total game changer because it's free and it gives you unlimited video generations. Now here's the real secret sauce. This is the trick to making the animation look smooth and believable. You don't just feed the AI one image. No. You give it a before image and an after image. This tells the AI, hey, these core parts of the room, like the walls and the windows, they need to stay the same. It locks everything in place so the transformation looks clean and consistent.
All right, so now you have the technical how-to. You've got the blueprint, but how do you take that and turn it into an actual successful channel? That's where building your AI brand comes in. This is all about moving past just making one-off videos and creating a real, sustainable content machine.
And look, this isn't just some theory. It's already happening. Channels using this exact model are seeing absolutely explosive growth. Check this out, over 320,000 subscribers. We're talking 500 million views from just 70 short videos. That's insane. It just proves there's this massive, hungry audience out there just waiting for this kind of content.
And here's the really cool part. You can use AI to build the brand itself. You can create a whole channel identity in minutes. Get ChatGPT to spit out some cool channel name ideas. Then have it write a prompt for a unique logo, maybe with a cool AI character. Use that to create your channel banner.
Heck, you can even have it brainstorm your first 20 viral video ideas. The entire startup process can be automated.
Okay, get ready for this, because this might just be the most mind-blowing part of this whole strategy. We're going to talk about how you can start making money from day one. Yeah, from the very first day, without having to wait to hit all those crazy YouTube requirements.
So you know how it usually works, right? For YouTube Shorts, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views before you see a dime. It's a long grind. But there's a shortcut. And this shortcut requires 0 subscribers and 0 views to get started. There are these platforms, like Blastoff Media, that let you connect your brand new channel, use their library of music, and bam, you start earning a share of the ad revenue from your very first video. There's literally no waiting period. So, when you put all these pieces together, you've got this huge, engaged audience, you've got this super simple AI workflow, and you've got instant monetization. It really makes you stop and think, doesn't it? Are we looking at the start of a new kind of creator gold rush? And what in the world does this level of automation mean for the future of content?
You know, there's a creator in this space, Automation Expert, who put it perfectly. They said, opportunities are everywhere, and with AI, they are turning into gold mines. All you have to do is step in and collect your share. Wow. I mean, that's a pretty powerful statement, right? It really captures this feeling that we're on the cusp of something huge.
And that really brings us to the big, final question here. When you have tools that can automate everything from the initial idea to creating the visuals to even building the brand, is AI becoming the great equalizer for new creators? Could this finally be the thing that lets anyone with a great idea, but maybe not the budget or the technical skills, actually compete and become a successful creator? It's definitely something to think about.